So today we're going to be at the ranch at Orange Blossom. We're actually hanging out here visiting some friends. And I just wanted to give you a quick tour since I'm here because it's such a great place. They have a resort style pool. And to this side, you'll see that they have another resort style pool that also has a kiddie pool inside of it, which is really cool. We love coming here and playing with our friends. And then it's also heated during the cold seasons here, so it's awesome. They have 3 parks. Here is one of the 3 parks. That's my son. He loves coming to play. There's another park on this side. There's the volleyball court with sand over there. I'm just going to take a walk and give you a little bit of a tour. And this place is like literally right behind the Naples Collier County Fairgrounds. And they're actually going to be extending it and making this really huge park coming up. So that's going to be really cool when this park is actually done. I think you can go online and check it out as well, what their plans are for the future. This, you could actually get here off of 951, or you can come in through the back off of exit 80 on I-75. You're about 20 minutes from Ave Maria, maybe less. And then obviously, you know, it's probably like a 20-25 minute drive into town. And if you wanted to go to Miami and spend the weekend there in Miami, you'll have like it's probably about an hour-and-a-half drive from Miami. So it's a great location. Look at all this space here. It's pet friendly, family friendly. Just so much to do here. I'm gonna take you guys inside in just a little bit. Just kind of walking around here so you can get a feel for this. This is where they all come and play soccer, and they bring their pets. The dogs run around crazy. Like, they just love it here. They have such a great time. You have tennis courts. We're coming through the front of the amenity area, so we're going to try to go see the gym as well. Look at all this greenery. It's just so gorgeous. Look at this weather. Look at that heart in the sky. It's so cute. We're going to walk around to the front of the building. Here's some more of the kiddie pool side. Some restrooms. There's a basketball court on that side. There's also another park on the other side of this, which hopefully I'll get a chance to show you as well. There's a lot of new developments going on back there. If you wanted to have a new construction home, you have the opportunity to do so here too. We're coming up to the front. So it looks like COVID has it closed, so we're just not going to go in there today, but there's also a gym, and I can get you some pictures of the gym as well. So we'll go see the other little park. There's some new construction homes on that side. You see that they're building them? Look at that flower. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I gotta go in. This is beautiful. That's my kind of flower and plant. We have birthday parties here from time to time. There's a bar. Another pavilion for birthday parties. And barbecue outside. And here's our other little park. So plenty of parks, plenty of things to do. The weather's always so amazing. You know, this is Florida. And that's about it, guys. I'm gonna probably send up some more videos of another subdivision I'm going to go visit later on today, so I'm excited to show you that one as well. We'll talk soon.